Hey, Ayers, have you ever dreamt of having a magical space on YouTube where your passions ignite and creativity flows like a river? You're not alone. We're here today to navigate the exciting, challenging realms of YouTube automation together. So, grab a coffee, relax, and let's have a hot-to-hot chat. First off, let's talk about niches. Imagine you're at a grand buffet. The niche you choose is like picking the perfect dish that delights your taste buds. It should resonate with what you love, what you're curious about. It's the secret sauce to making content that feels more like a joyful journey rather than a chore. To learn more about the tips and tricks of successful YouTube automation, check the specific lessons at Online Business Academy or join the Online Business Club, where you can get a chance to win $20,000 and many more perks. Now let's go to some viewers' questions. 1. How long does it take to start earning money on YouTube? The golden question. Monetizing on YouTube is a thrilling adventure. There are fabulous guides and tips out there, like affiliate marketing and selling digital products. But here's the real talk. It can take a few months or even a couple of years to see the fruits of your labor. Question 2. Is there a faster way to monetize? You bet. Imagine if you could skip the line and dive straight into earning. That's where the magic of a done-for-you, DFY, instant monetized channel comes in. Get it in few days, not in months, and start earning straight away. It's like having a fast pass to the front of the monetization roller coaster. Let's demystify YouTube automation. It's like having a friendly wizard who takes care of the technical spells, script writing, voiceovers, and video editing, allowing you to focus on being your amazing creative self. Viewer question 3. What should I focus on to make my videos stand out? Great question. Scripts and visuals are your best friends here. Captivating keywords, images, and thumbnails are like the colorful feathers of a peacock, attracting eyes and making people want to click and watch your videos. It's all about creating that magnetic first impression. Ready to roll? Head over to the description box and click the links. It's where your dreams find wings, and you can have a YouTube channel that's not just ready to fly, but ready to soar high in the monetization skies. Let's embark on this enchanting journey together. Like and subscribe. Click the links now. You'll thank me later.